Hi, today I'm going to show you retail point of sale software where you can manage your inventory, accounts, sales, purchase, stock, everything. So let's start the demo. This is our login screen. You can create multiple logins, multiple users, and also you can give access to each of your users like limited permissions. So I'm going to log in from admin account. Here we go. This is a UK leading POS software where you can manage new customers, your vendors, add new items, purchase bills, expense, sales. So we're going to start from administrations. You can create user logins, like you can create multiple users here. For example, I want to add one user, Mr. John, so I'm going to add. Now you can see it's already added in my account. Other than that, if I'm going to another option, which is user rights, okay, you can give each of your users a limited permissions. For example, if you want to allow Mr. John that he can just view reports, or he cannot edit your bills, so you can just not allow that option. And if you want to allow, so you have to double click, so it's allowed. All right, and after that you have to press save button, so rights will be allowed to that users. Now here you can set the passwords. Admin can give password to each of the users. And another option we have, like you can create financial years, multiple financial years you can create according to your requirements. We have a clear transaction option, so everything will be clear after that. Also you can create the backup on daily basis, and you can also make automatic backup to the cloud. So next we have maintain, like master setups, where you have chart of accounts. You can create your multiple accounts like cash, bank, customers, inventories, advance and prepayment, short-term investment, fixed assets, expenses, long-term investments, acquired expenses, short-term loans, equity capitals, owner's drawing account, profit and loss, revenue, cost of sales, administrative expenses, marketing and distribution expenses, financial expenses, taxations, and other income and other operating expenses. So here you have to create multiple options. Here you can make your accounts, chart of accounts. Okay, for example, if I want to add any salary account, any other expense account, so I can create that account as well. Another, we have a customer option. You can create multiple customers, like cash customers and credit customers. If I want to create any customer, I have to create a normal, for example, loyalty program customer. So I'm going to add Mr. Ali, and for example, it's a trading company, so I'm going to add a trading. And you can create contact person, address, regions, sub-regions, telephone, fax, website, other business sectors, account manager. Also you can add the credit limits here. For example, if you want to give a limit, so you can fix the limits for your customer. I'm going to save this, so it's simply add on my records. You can create multiple customers here. You have no limitations. After that, there is a vendor accounts. You can create your vendor accounts from where you are purchasing your goods. So you can create a multiple vendor accounts here. You can see that some of examples already added here. Simply you have to add and you have to save that vendor's account. Another option, we have bank accounts, where you can create your multiple banks. You can manage your ledgers, accounts, multiple bank accounts. You can see somehow we have created HBL, Mizan, JS. So you can create multiple bank accounts. Simple, you have to add bank name, branch name, account number, account title, everything you have to add, and you have to simply save that, so it will be on your record. Now another option which we have, chart of account opening balances. So you can manage your balances, like if you want to add cash in hand, 7,000 pounds in hand. If you want to add for example any bank account like HBL, I have 8,000 in pounds. And if I have to give to my vendors any credit, for example, I'm going to check that Naved Enterprises. Now I have to pay him, for example, Naved Enterprises, I have to pay him 9,000. So you can add your opening balances here. After that, I'm going to save that, so it's already added now. Now the next option, we have chart of inventory. where you can create multiple items. This is a three levels of inventory. How it's worked, let me just show you that. This is our main category. For example, this is a category code, so I'm going to add a general items, and after that I have, for example, a superstore and a mini mart. So I'm going to add, like, I have mineral waters, and another options I have groceries, I have mobile accessories. Whatever the categories you have to add multiple categories here. And pharmacy. So now in mineral water I'm going to add a Nestle mineral water. So I'm going to add rack number where the item is located, and the purchase price, for example, 12, and the selling price is 15. Also you can set the reorder quantity, like for example, if your stock is going to be end, so you will get the notification. Now I'm going to save that, so you can see it's already saved in my account. If I want to print the barcode, so I'm just simply click on print barcode. I can print multiple barcode here. You can see that. If I want to print, simply I will give you the number of copies, like I want 5 barcodes, 10 barcodes, how many barcodes, so I will got these barcodes. Now here you will add another items, grocery item, pharmacy, and whatever items you want to add, you can add here. After that we have inventory opening balances, item reorders, item cost of sales method. So simply I'm going to add, now I'm checking purchase. You can create purchase order, purchase sales tax invoice, and non-tax invoice. So I'm going to create a purchase sales tax invoice. Okay, so I'm going to add Naved Enterprises, which is previous balance is already showing me that I have to pay 9,000 pounds. I have to add a vendor invoice number. After that simply I'm going to add, okay, you can just scan the barcode if you have the barcode number. Also you can select the item, okay, search the item. Now it's showing me that I have 0 pieces in hand. I'm going to purchase 30 bottles, 12 into it is going to be 360. If I want to add VAT amount, for example 15% is the VAT amount, so it will be 54, and after including VAT is 414 is the total amount. Now you can create the location as well, where you are going to save the stock. Like for example, you have a multiple locations, you have warehouse, you have godown, you have store, so you can create the multiple locations as well. So 414 is the total amount. If I'm going to pay, for example, 200 to my vendor, now wait, and the balance will be in his account. I will show you in the next step. Print. So I'm going to print this. You can see this is a purchase invoice, where you can see that total amount, total quantity, VAT, everything is there. If I'm going to print this, so I'm just going to print on the PDF, as well as I can just print out directly. Now I'm going to check the reports. Here you can see in the reports inventory balances. Now I'm going to display this. You can see that the Nestle mineral water is 30 quantity in hand, and the 0 is out. Still I haven't sell anything, so the balance is showing 30, and the total amount, then value of inventory is 360 in hand available. If I want to check like category wise, I can just filter that. If I want to see subcategory wise, and if I want to see location wise, date wise, so you can track your stock. If you want to see all items, if you want to convert this all in Excel, so you can convert this all in Excel as well. If you want to print this, so you can directly print from here. Now if I want to see the ledgers, I'm going to go view accounts ledger. If I want to see my vendor account ledger, Naved Enterprises, now you can see 9,000 was the credit amount which we have to pay him already, and the another amount which was 414 invoice I have purchased, 200 I paid already. Now the total balance is showing 9214. All right, if we are going to print this, so it will show you like this. This is a customer, sorry, this is your vendor ledger. If you want to send this ledger to your vendor, you can just make the PDF, you can just print that directly, you can WhatsApp them what the details are. If you want to see any other ledger like cash ledger, bank ledger, everything you can see here, you can print here, you can export them to Excel, everything is available there. Now I'm going to simply make the sales, so I'm going to go sales invoice. This is how it's look like. If you have a scanner, so you can directly scan your barcode number. If you don't have a scanner, you can simply type here. For example, I'm going to show you that I'm selling a Nestle bottles, 2 quantity, and the total amount is 15, including 30 is the total amount. If I'm going to print this, so I'm just going to give you a command, Control P, and the total receiving amount is, for example, 40 I have received, 10 I have to pay, give him a cashback, print. So if I want to show you how it's look like, because right now my printer is not connected, so just let me show you how it's look like. This is how the invoice will be. Your company name, your address, your phone number, invoice number, date, time, particulars, quantity, rate, everything you can see here. Everything will be there like that. So coming to the next point, after sales you can check the daily sales reports. You have a multiple sales reports. Just let me go to the software again. Okay, reports. We are going to check the sales summary. The total is showing that 30 is our sale till now. If I want to see by user wise, admin wise, if I want to see date wise, so you have to filter date wise. If you want to see total cash sales and the credit sales or any online sales you are doing, so you can check that. If you want to see customer wise, you can see customer wise. If you want to see item wise profit and loss, so you can see daily profit and loss showing £6 in hand right now in the profit. If you want to see the date wise profit, you can check date wise profit. If you want to see the ledgers, accounts ledgers, cash and bank ledger, customer balances, vendor balances, trial balance, income statement, balance sheet, so purchase reports. Alright, the most important thing, you can see the purchasing, total purchases, total VAT, how much the VAT is, total amount. Alright, if you want to see the sales tax ledger, how much is the payable, sales tax payable, you can see that. And 30 plus reports basically you have right now. You want to see aging report, pay purchase aging, sales aging. And also I will like to show you, this is our dashboard where you will see the sales. You can see the opening cash, payments, current balance. If any credit customer, it will show you the receivables and the payables. So this is our software. If you want to contact us, you can just go to the description and you can contact us. This is our WhatsApp number, it's showing on the screen right now, 324-2419-744. You can contact on WhatsApp as well, you can call us. Thank you very much.